Refer your friends to open an ING account. Earn your cash reward in 3 easy steps. First, sync your contacts by logging into the ING app. Tap the profile icon. Tap Invite Friends on the menu. Then, tap the Invite Friends button to sync your contacts. Next, start inviting friends to open an ING account. It only takes a few taps, no promo codes needed. Tap the name of your friend from your sync contacts. Tap the Invite button and send the invite via your preferred messaging app. You can also remind your friend to complete account opening via the app, and finally, earn your rewards. Once your friend's account is verified and funded, you and your friend will each earn 500 pesos. A dashboard will show you the list of friends you've invited and each one's current status. You can send multiple invites each month, leave no friend behind, and share even more rewards. Banking has never been this rewarding for you and your friends. Invite your friends now to ING. Knowing app yet? Thanks for watching.